Welcome to Comcast Newsmakers, coming to you from the Warner's Theater in downtown Fresno. My name is Kathleen Schock, and I'm so pleased to be joined here with by Rohina Fazil. You are representing a group, Mental Health Systems, that does some really interesting work in the community. Tell me a little bit about the group and how long it's been around.
Sure. Mental Health Systems is a nonprofit organization. It's been around since 1978, and the mission of the organization is to provide services to improve the lives of individuals, families, and communities impacted by behavioral health disorders or substance abuse disorders.
There's a particular program that I'd like to talk a little bit about, the Fresno Children's Wraparound Program. What is that?
Fresno Children's Wraparound Program is one program operated by Mental Health Systems, and that's the program that I manage, so I'm most familiar with that program. There are 8 programs in the Fresno area that Mental Health Systems operates, and Fresno Children's is one of those programs.
And what exactly does the program do?
What we do is we provide services to keep children within their families, with their communities, and to really avoid the need for out-of-home care. That would be higher level of care like group home care, residential care, and our goal is to really wrap around services for the child and family so that they can keep children in the homes, in the communities with people that know and love them the most.
You know, as somebody who works in the mental health care system, I'm curious what your thoughts are in relationship to the dialogue about mental health in America, especially in light of what happened in Connecticut. People are really talking about it as an issue in a way that they haven't perhaps maybe acknowledged before. I mean, do you see this as an opportunity to get the word out and get people talking about the need to address mental health care in the United States?
Absolutely. Mental health affects a lot of individuals, affects adults, affects a lot of children, and 1 in 5 children are affected with a mental health illness. And in our program, Mental Health Systems, the wraparound program in Fresno really tries to target children and families who are affected by this issue and to provide services to keep them together. And I think it's a very relevant issue currently because in light of those things that are happening, but really to provide services to keep children stable and place them with those that know them the most, that love them the most, that can provide care for them on an ongoing basis.
And give me a sense of what kind of need is out there. I mean, how many people are coming to you looking for help or guidance?
There is a huge need. Children and families are torn apart for various reasons, and mental health is one of the reasons that affects that population. And so we are seeing a lot of families that need services. And of course, these services are available for court-referred youth with their families. There are other providers, including Mental Health Systems, that provides these services. And in Fresno County, it's over 100 youth that are receiving these services.
Wow. Well, where could someone go to find out more information or perhaps seek help themselves if they need it?
They can go to our website, www.mhsinc.org. They can also contact, if they're involved with a social worker or a probation officer, to see if they might qualify for services.
And then are there needs that you have also from the community in terms of funding or volunteers for your organization? They could also go to that website as well.
Absolutely. We always are looking for volunteers. We're looking for folks who are interested in supporting the needs of children and families who are affected with mental health and substance abuse issues.
Or even learning more about how it impacts
and
Fresno
learning
County.
more, absolutely, yes, and that website would help.
Thank you so much for being with us today. We really appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
And thank you for watching Comcast Newsmakers.